your organization's tech stack. It's always growing. And your organization's governance, risk, and compliance program relies on that tech stack to create a strong risk program where nothing falls through the cracks. But we all know what happens when the tools we use do not communicate the way we want them to. The technology we lean on to make our lives easier ends up complicating processes, stifling communication, and siloing information. Risk Cloud is the cloud-based platform that sits at the center of governance, risk, and compliance ecosystems. Not only does Risk Cloud transform the way that organizations approach risk, it connects with the processes and tools you already have in place, making your technology work to its full capacity. Whether your teams are Jira power users and Slack specialists, and other departments are skilled in Salesforce and masters of Microsoft, Risk Cloud's integrations are built to bring tools and teams together for a connected GRC program. Here's how. LogicGate gives you options when it comes to integrations. Our RESTful API gives you the access and flexibility to integrate with Risk Cloud where you need it. Plug-and-play native integrations are already set up to easily integrate right into Risk Cloud. API automation platforms, like Zapier, give you endless possibilities for connecting Risk Cloud into popular tools and are just a zap away. Finally, our dedicated integrations services team is here to guide you and build custom integrations that your organization might need. Connecting to Risk Cloud has never been easier. Learn how Risk Cloud can become the center of your GRC ecosystems.